Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about two special words. These are the articles. These are like written language. In any language, we have anything like alphabet. Can you start with me?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W